Hey, it's January 5th, 2022. We are into the new year, going on almost a year of house remodeling. Today, Tony and Andres are back to do some more work on the sides of the house. They're putting up like a chicken wire netting over top of the fireproof paper that they wrapped the house with. Let's go take a look. On the roll there in red, you can see it says K-Lath, which is what this material is called. It's what they use for lathing. There's a good vocab word for you. It's installing this material, this lath, on the wall so that the stucco has something to affix to when they attach the goopy stucco to the wall. And there's a separate kind of lath for the under the roof area where the stucco needs to be hanging upside down. They even wired over our old door. This is the stucco netting. It's just like chicken wire. I don't know what the difference is. So in addition to helping hold the stucco onto our house, it's going to keep the chickens out of it. What did we learn today? I learned how to pronounce the word L-A-T-H and L-A-T-H-I-N-G. One is lath. The other one, lathing. Lathing. It sounds British and proper. When you're discussing doing your stucco project with your general contractor or your stucco guy, make sure you know what that word means. Because if you say lathing instead of lathing, they're going to give you a funny look. You'd never want someone to judge you for misstating the word lathing. But when you're buying it from Home Depot, you want to ask for lath. Hello, Home Depot employee. Could you tell me where you have the lath? I'm doing some lathing. They'll know exactly what you're talking about.